Hey, hello everyone, it's Coach Chris. Today I traded my new system I'll be releasing next week or the week after called eschannels.com. Before I begin, I want to let everyone know that this video is for educational purposes only. I will not trade funds for you or give you specific investment advice. The rest of the government disclosures are located, the links are located in the description below this video. So let's get into this. Today was a good day for me. I traded this on the side, and that is exactly what it's intended to do. It's intended to pull $100 to $300 out of the market with very minimal effort while you're scalping or doing your primary trades. This is not designed necessarily to be your primary trading strategy, although I guess it could be. And so I've been testing it now for several months, just trading one micro. And so you can scale up accordingly based on the size of your account and what your risk parameters are. And basically the way the system works is it draws a series of channels onto your chart. It's designed primarily to trade the ES or the MES. I've been trading the MES, and that's what this chart is on the 5-minute. And so it basically prints a series of channels on your chart, this blue middle line being our base or home line, and then the series green, green, yellow, red above, and green, green, yellow, red below. And so when price deviates from this basis line, if it deviates above the blue line, we are looking for shorts in the market. If it goes below, we're looking for longs. And basically the system is very easy. Once the price goes up and touches this green line here, we enter into a trade on the next candle to close. Remember, this is a 5-minute chart. So in this case, this was 7:30 this morning. There was a bunch of news, financial news released, caused the market to go up, touched the green line, so we enter into this candle short. You then put your take profit on this blue line, okay, and your stop loss goes on the red line. And you can see here what this did is hit the green line, entered the trade, and came down in about, what is that, hour and a half or so later, closed the trade. It then reversed up. You got an entry here, came back down, got out. Then it decided to go below the basis line. And this was a trade I took here. I did take one trade early in the day, but I had to close it. I got interrupted. I had some things going on, and I had to get out. So I got only a $25 profit here in the morning, and then I got another $50-some in the afternoon on this one trade. And here again, I got in when it touched the line here, and it was approaching up to the line, but this was around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I had an appointment I had to make, and so I closed out a little early, but still got a nice little profit. But then you can see it goes on again. There would have been another trade. Now, this distance here, it didn't quite get up to the line, but at this point in the day, it's getting close to 2 o'clock. You want to close out your trades as soon as you get into a decent profit, because you don't want this trade to go into the close without closing it, or you can get into trouble, especially if you're trading on a prop firm. If you're trading your own cash account, what happens is the margins on overnight trades grow significantly. I mean, really significantly. And the brokerage can close the trade on you also if you don't meet the minimum margin requirements. And usually when a trade is closed by the brokerage, you don't get a favorable close. So you end up losing quite a bit of money. So I highly recommend by about 2:30 in the afternoon, if you happen to be in a trade, try and close it out for as much profit as you can. And you can see here you would have got within 2 points of the basis line anyway. This product, the MES, trades for $5 a point, and so you still would have got a nice profit. Normally these trades go around $50 to $75 per MES contract traded, and so I've only been trading one contract, and like I said, you can scale up as you wish. And usually you're going to get anywhere from 1 to 3 on average trades a day. In this case, we would have got 1 here, 2, 3, and 4 trades, most going for almost max profit. So I do have some shots I'm hoping. Let's see here. There it is. Okay, so this was the trade I took in the morning. As I said, I got interrupted, and so I only was able to achieve $27.50 in profit. I was in the trade for an hour and 2 minutes, and which is not unusual for this system, and this is what I like about it. You can basically put the trade on, and as long as you put your take profit here and your stop loss, you can pretty much let it go. And then monitor it every so often. And you can see here an hour and a half later, you would have been able to close it. And then in the afternoon, it takes a while for this to load, I made $46 whole dollars. I know it doesn't sound like much, but remember, I'm trading 1 and 2 contracts of an MES product. So very, very little risk to your account. And if that's not enough money, then scale up. Go, trade 3, 4, 5 contracts of it. And you'd be making 3 to 4 times this. If you go all the way up to the full mini contract, you're looking at 10 times that. But for my sake of what I'm using this for, I'm content to make $100 to $300 a day. Because then if I copy trade that over anywhere from 5 to 10 accounts, that, you can see that's $300 to, as much as $1,500 a day just on the side of my normal trading with absolutely zero stress. And it's very easy to put on. So, watch next week. I'm going to have a huge sale on this. There's a product out there that another company sells that is fairly similar to this. I designed this system based on a proprietary formula that I've watched these lines and I did some research. And that other company charges anywhere between $1,500 and $2,000 for their system. And I'm going to be at a fraction of this. And put it this way, 1 to 2 trades will more than pay for this. And as I said, you can use this in conjunction of any other system you're using. Just have it running on a computer or on a screen next to yours. I've been using Tradovate to trade right on the TradingView platform, and it's been working really slick. It's super, super easy to use. So watch for that coming out next week. If you want more information on it, either leave a comment below in the message section down below, and I'll get back to you with more details. So have a good weekend, everyone. Coach Chris signing out.